When you are alone, it's hard.
You lock it back?
Yeah, lock it back. I thought you said lock it. It was locked when the key was inside it? And you opened it back.
This is how they turn on probably. Right, so this is one here. Looking nice. There
And
you
then
go.
come and snap the outside of it, video the outside, walk with and everything. And then the toilet down there. You have any bath? Or it's just only shower and one toilet? Okay, that's good enough still. And down they have a cabin too?
Yeah, that's a you know that old one. That is the old. That is the original one.
Yeah, but it have you put a room and thing about everything?
No, they're just line.
Oh, that's
Oh, so you actually get a little motorized thing, right?
Yeah, I want. Well, this
It-
morning
it-
I wanted to use it this morning, but race out of phone.
Oh,
I gotta wait until it dry now.
yeah.
So I have to walk it in the morning.
I just given a little
So today
clip
I do
here.
really hedges.
They come up with a long time. This is improvement. That's your thing.
The plum behind.
Yeah, the plum be already, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but the first year just be a few. Last year I get a little more.
This is the from where he bring my...
bring?
Oh my God, no!
Yes.
Yeah, that's how the little.
Well, I could get a plant from this.
Of course. Yes.
If you see we out the one when
Yes.
we get it, it's
Hey,
so...
this is a big plum.
Yeah, the plum
and the plum
big.
sweet.
Yes, it is a big plum.
I give my aunt the ball and they was like, they never see plum this big.
Yes, hey, look at this.
Yeah, look at that little one. What's that?
I wanted to bring our next plant. I wanted to bring a mango plant. Yeah, no mango and thing up there.
I kindly get